guys, welcome back to the Everything Show. So today we're going to be making French toast. It's super easy, super yummy, and just delicious, and you're never going to stop eating it. So let's get in, but before we get started, make sure to... Okay? Alright, let's get started. Woo! Alright, so cupcakes are in the bowl. So now, what you're going to start with, you're going to grab your bowl and you're going to crack the 2 eggs in. It's just, this French toast is my favorite French toast. My grandma taught me how to make it, and now I just do it whenever. Can you guys do a one-handed egg crack? Like this video if you can. Smash like. Alright, so now what you're gonna do, you guys will also need a fork. Sorry, I wasn't prepared with the fork. So you have your egg and you're just gonna whisk them up. You can use and make sure to wash your hands. And yeah, so you're gonna start with that. We're not making an egg, obviously. So then you're gonna pour. You can just freehand this. Hang on, I gotta open up the, extra. Sorry, my cupcake. So you can just wing this. I just wing it. Just pour like maybe just like 2 drops, 3 drops. Doesn't really matter. You don't have to do vanilla. Vanilla, it's an option, but I do. And now I'm gonna add a little cinnamon, because French toast needs cinnamon, obviously. And now we're gonna mix it up, just a little. All right, I think I'm gonna put a little more cinnamon, because you need a lot of cinnamon in the mix, and then you put more after. So what I do is I just mix. Should be enough. You want it to, so you can see a lot. You can see a lot of the cinnamon. Okay, that should be good. So now what we are going to do is and make sure to wash your hands, like I said. I think I said that. All right, sorry, I'm very tired. It's 2 a.m. in the morning, because I do these things early. Just kidding. It's not 2 a.m. It's 6:03. Okay. So what we're going to do is I'm going to add my bread. You're probably thinking, what are you doing? What are you doing? That's so not good. What are you doing? Okay, fine. No. This is what you're supposed to do. This is how you cook it. You don't just put plain bread on the stove. You got to put a little liquid, at least. Right, this also goes on a stove, so you need a pan, just like this, and just let it soak in there for about 5 minutes on each side. You can do that, you don't have to, but just keep doing it like I did, and just keep flipping, and you can use your hand to flip. Just make sure you wash your hands. Make sure every single bit, no part is dry. Okay, so I think you can see the pan. See, if you can see my hand, you can see the pan. Now I'm just gonna start by use whatever spray. I'm gonna put it on the fire first. And I'm just going to, you can just use whatever spray once again. Just spray it on. Alright, now we're gonna wait for it to heat up a little, but I think it should be pretty good. And we're just gonna get all the soggy egg out and just put it on. Alright. And then, you see, what are you going to do with all this extra egg? Because I have so much extra egg. I like making a mini egg, but after I cook it. So let's just wait. Here's the time lapse. Alright, so it's pretty cooked now. I'm going to start by making my mini egg. Probably saying, ew, that has cinnamon in it and vanilla. But you know what? It doesn't matter. I'm going to add salt into it anyway. It's gonna be sweet and salty. It's gonna be pretty good. I know if you guys are probably seeing my face, I'm gonna edit that out. Oh no, don't touch it, don't touch it. Don't touch. Okay, so this is, I should have did a bigger pan. Okay, I'm just gonna separate it. I'm gonna cook my mini egg because it's pretty much cooked already. Well, it's pretty quick. It's not really that many, but pretty many. Chicken flip. And now I'm going to get a plate. On my plate, you can see it's right there. I don't know. So I made my mini egg, which is obviously it's cooked, so I'm putting it there already. So you might say, why does it have so much egg on it? It's because I did use 2 eggs. You can also use 1. 2 is the way to go. You can also just like take the egg off of it, just like this. You can just like slice it off. And the egg is actually pretty good on it. It's what makes French toast, French toast. Because if you just grilled bread, that would be kind of gross. Did I say grilled? Sorry, didn't mean to say grilled. And you always gotta put cinnamon on it when it's wet. You never ever put it on it when it's all cooked. That was my mom saying, "Where's my phone?" I made another mini egg because I had more. Yay. It's what's with me and little mini things. But I like mini brands. I have quite many. Alright. So the French toast should be cooked by now. It should have like a little bubble when it's cooked. It doesn't always, usually. And it should be, you want it to be a little smidgen burnt on the edges. And then, once it's done, put it on here. And now, here's the best part. Now you should have your French toast and your mini egg if you have it. And here's the best part. This is totally optional. You definitely don't need to do this. But I do because I just like it. Just add some syrup. Just like a little drizzle, just like that. And now, what we're going to do is I'm going to add a banana because I love bananas. When I say love, I mean love. So I have a banana. All right. And our breakfast is complete. Yay.